When shopping at Amazon, make sure you use the link in the description below. Also, check out the new merchandise I have in my store at ChevyDudeStore.com. We have new sunglasses, we have the Camaro America t-shirt, we have the gray Chevy Dude shirt, Chevy Dude sticker, and get your own Chevy Dude Coke. All at ChevyDudeStore.com.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. A little dark in here because we're having this stupid rain go through and it just killed all of our power, and I'm gonna continue doing my vlog, but I hope you guys are having a fantastic day and welcome back again to the channel. So in the last video, I shared with you this 1-ton Silverado that I took delivery on that was actually a customer's vehicle. They are here now and they are getting ready to drive this thing back to Los Angeles, California. So I also told you in that vlog that there is an accessory that every HD truck owner should have, and you should put this one option on every one of your trucks when you're ordering them, and as dealers you need to put this on every HD truck as well, and that's in this box. Before I show you what's in this box though, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get all my updates, and then give it a big thumbs up on this video if you like it and would like to see more of this. So if you remember in the last video, I showed you these 5 little plugs in the back of the bed. It's a $370 option from the factory, and this is the 5th Wheel Gooseneck Trailer Provisioning's equipment group. Absolutely perfect, just like I said, $370. And if you want the ball for the gooseneck and the safety chain anchors, it's another $200 and some odd. So very, very cheap, inexpensive to do this. And again, I think the biggest benefit of it is it comes straight from the factory, so it's under factory warranty. And then also, as you purchase the vehicle, you don't have to take the bed off, you don't have to drill holes. And I have one of my customers who hauls horses all year round, and he told me a couple years ago that he wanted these safety chains not perpendicular with the gooseneck, and I thought he was crazy, and I'm like, no, we can't do that, they're always set up that way, I've never seen them any different. And he swore up and down that that I was crazy, and we're, you know, he's a good customer, so no issues there. And now you can put these so they're in front or in back of the gooseneck. So I'm gonna put these in and show them to you, and I'm gonna put the part numbers all right down in the description of this video. So I'm gonna open this literally up right on camera, kind of show it to you so you know that this is how easy this is to put in. So inside here you have the ball for the gooseneck, and you have the safety chains as well, and we have some instructions, but as a guy we don't ever need instructions. So all you have to do is just kind of push in on these a little bit, and these plugs come out. They're very, very simple to do, takes no effort at all. And then on the ball here there is a safety switch up here, and put that in and it's completely in. So the one thing that I really like about this, with any other gooseneck, you have to get outside the vehicle, pull that handle, put this in, go back out, push the handle. God forbid you don't want to forget to pull that handle back in, and it's completely locked in. So now if I pull this up, it's out completely. So it's really, really super nice to do that. So it's almost idiot proof, if you want to call it that, to not mess up. This works the same way. So this has got the safety pins right here. This comes up, it goes in sideways and turns this way. There we go, I wanted to go that way. You put the pin back in, you put this pin back in, and it's all done, and it won't turn sideways either. So if you look at this, you can see that that is shaped oddly. Put that in like this, twist it. Obviously this is the first time, so it might be just a little difficult. Put that in, and voila. So now you have your safety chain anchors and your gooseneck right there. One-handed operation, very cool thing that GM came up with to put in their HD trucks. So literally haven't changed anything since I cut that last scene. Just kind of show you up close and personal. Literally one-handed as I'm recording this video. You can see it's right there. This just goes in here like so. Fits in there correctly if you do it right, not one-handed. And then this one here again, doing this one-handed on camera. That's how easy it is. Twist it, comes up. So you can see that that is kind of like a rectangle, rounded rectangle, and you have that right there. It just goes in there and up, and it stays right in there like that. Again, I think it's pretty impressive when you can do this one-handed by yourself in just a few seconds. So I'll show you the interior of this case. Really simple, and one of the big things I love about it is when you're not using the gooseneck back here, you know, you just simply put it in the case, throw it under the seat. If you've got a toolbox back here, you throw it in the toolbox, whatever the case may be, and you just push that back in, lock it up, and you're good to go. The last thing I'll show you that I think you can get with every truck and car that you buy from Chevrolet is what looks like to be, and I assume who makes these, is Weathertech Floorliner. So you can see they're all the way back here. If I decide I want to put this case in here, this fits nicely underneath the seats. There's a little raised lip right there, so that box really isn't going to move around much unless you're, you know, drag racing your Dirty Max. And then you have them in the front here as well. And I'll put these part numbers in there, but it's, you can go to any GM dealership and get these. And I'm just going to put the black part numbers in there because that's the most common color for these trucks. But they'll all be down in the description below, and you can check them out, you know, at any GM Chevrolet dealership in the country. All right, so there you go. You can see it's dark again here at the dealership. As usual, I'm closing the dealership down, which I don't like to do, but that's the easy extension and easy installation of a gooseneck trailer hitch for your 1 ton or 3/4 ton Duramax or gas engine vehicles. So again, those links will be in the description below. If you do a fifth wheel, there is a fifth wheel attachment that you can do that as well. If I have someone buy one, I'll do one, and I'll do a video on that as well. I think it's a really cool video. This is Chris and Brandon. They are the ones buying it. Well, you're buying it. Yep. You gotta work to pay him for this, right? So they're from LA, and they're gonna be driving this thing across country after I broke it in for them. And you know, you guys are good to go, man. Awesome. Easy.
Thank you so much, Mike. Really appreciate it.
You're welcome, man. Thank you. I even remember the temp tag. That's a pretty impressive feat right there. I forget that temp tag all the time. So there you have it. Anywhere in the country you want to buy a car, I can help you out. I love doing it. We had a great conversation. They were here for a few hours tonight when they didn't need to be. They literally only had to be here for like 10 minutes, but we hung out a lot, talked a lot while I was still selling a car, and they're gonna be back tomorrow because I'm gonna give them a couple of Chevy Dude merch stuff. So down in the description below is the Chevy Dude store, so check it out, buy some stuff, support my channel, and help me get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So again, thank you so much for being a part of my channel, being a part of my life, and I appreciate all your great positive feedback and comments and thumbs up. Have a great day and drive safely.